In this video, we will be comparing two countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY ice maker and the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker. Both machines promise to deliver ice quickly and efficiently, but which one truly stands out? We'll delve into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. The AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $99, while the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker comes in at a more affordable $69. This price difference could be a significant factor for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable ice maker. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities, with the AGLUCKY producing 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, and the Sweetcrispy slightly edging ahead at 26.5 pounds. However, both machines can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for quick ice needs. The AGLUCKY ice maker features a self-cleaning function which can save you time and effort in maintenance. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy model is designed with portability in mind, making it easy to transport for parties or gatherings. Both features cater to different user needs, making them appealing in their own right. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Sweetcrispy ice makers have their strengths. The AGLUCKY offers a self-cleaning feature and a slightly higher ice production capacity, while the Sweetcrispy is more budget-friendly and portable. Depending on your specific needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.